Alright, I'm just gonna hit start recording right now.
Okay, I'll do it too, because I know that once the funnies start, Ethan, they just won't stop.
Oh yeah, I'm also...
You're recording on both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
also...
gonna be tough to edit.
Primary language... What the fuck do you mean secondary language?
I've got this guitar on in my ear, Ethan, I can't hear you!
Alright, I'll go. You make a good point, CJ. I should probably go change the audio. Let's take them. Oh, I already did, apparently, at some point. This music volume is on as low as it can go.
Yeah, it's because last time we were trying to do it, and it was going poorly.
CJ, you should set yourself to Do Not Disturb on Steam so that it doesn't show you, like, when people are
Yeah, I'm
coming.
not gonna do that.
Alright. I mean, it takes, like, an instant to do, but that's fair.
Okay. Yes, Ethan, can you hear me? Ethan. Ethan. Can you not hear me?
Let's look at my player profile. 17 perfect games. That's impressive. 37% completion rate. That's kind of the point where you're getting where you know, like, a lot of the games that he really plays, he gets a lot of completion in there, but the games that he just sort of...
God damn it.
Gives them a try sometimes and they really take down a score. Oh, these are my future games, I guess. I don't know what that means.
Ethan. Where are you?
Got some badges. Can I, like, give myself a nickname?
Can you not hear me? Ethan!
CJ, you should set yourself to Do Not Disturb on Steam so that it doesn't show you, like, when people are
Yeah, I'm
coming.
not gonna do that.
Alright.
Oh my god, it's because he's on stupid offline mode, so I can't see that I'm messaging him because he can't hear me!
I heard you shouting.
I'm fucking ready there.
All
I'm ready to play this game with my friend.
Alright, everybody, welcome to Cooking with Spices. This is your show,
Wait.
your channel, your,
We're doing intro now? Alright.
No, nah. You
Oh.
made me change my mind.
Okay,
There's-
no, start over. Start over. You
see
got it.
what-
No,
no,
do it.
no, the game started now.
No,
The
you
game
can
started
do it.
now. Look at the game
Yeah, just
started.
do it,
I mean,
just do it.
what can you even do? The game is, it's loading the checkpoint. I mean, what can I do?
I don't know, this could take...
Hey, this is Cooking with Spices. Welcome, everybody. We're gonna play this game. It's loading now.
It's me, CJ, as well. I am here.
Oh, yeah, no, it's when I said we, it was the Spicy Boys. It was, me and, CJ.
I thought you were talking... Okay. I don't know. You've been doing the whole royal we a lot lately, and it's been
and
concerning. Oh, shit. Shut up, Ethan. The cinematic experience is happening. Oh! Oh, fuck me. This is really scary.
Ah!
Oh! Ah!
Oh, my shoesies.
Thank God my feetsies are still here. Are we the same people as before? We have been through a lot, and I have betrayed you many times in canon.
Yeah, so, this is the third game in a series.
Ethan.
Hey, buddy.
All right, very good. I can hear you.
Open. I'm opening a door.
I too am opening a door.
Hi.
Hello, good buddy.
Can you hear me?
Ethan, I can, and I want.
To join the army. Man, it's a good thing that we have these walkie-talkies so that we can speak to each other. I was worried.
Dude, our house is kicking. Look at this. This cozy as all fuck.
Yeah, no, maybe we should not leave for the dark, scary tower or whatever.
Oh, I think someone's calling us or something and, like, being sad. Oh, Ethan, I found our old computer room. Ethan, I'm afraid I've broken the computer.
That's within expectations.
Alright, you man this weird old computer. I'm going to put this, I guess, doorknob on a door.
Yeah, I think I've mastered this computer.
Ethan, I have found a second doorknob.
Why did we take the doorknobs off of our doors?
To keep the scary men out.
It seems to me like you and I might have some privacy issues we need to work out if we're taking, like, the knobs off doors.
Not only that, Ethan, but I've found 3 doorknobs, and fortunately I have an item wheel, so... Okay, I found the location for the square wheel.
CJ, I feel like a third wheel right now because you are really just doing this all on your own. You don't need nobody.
I do have 3 wheels.
Yeah, I'm the third one.
Shit. Ethan, look at this. Look at our sick ride.
It says you shouldn't be fooling around with it right now, Siege. Don't fucking touch that shit.
I did touch it, and it told me the same thing. Fucking, I don't want to go outside.
Yeah, this looks brutal. Although our place looks so cozy.
Yeah, apart from the fact that we live in the Antarctica or whatever.
There's a triangle slot here, probably for a wheel.
I'm coming! Fucking puzzle solved, baby.
Alright, you still shouldn't be fooling around with that shit. Don't fucking touch it.
Don't worry, Ethan. I'm looking for the plus slot. Oh, hold on. You were saying our house is cozy. You didn't come over here where the Lord of the Rings door is holding back some sort of valley of terror.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, okay. Over.
Oh yeah, we might want to start doing over.
Well, it does it for us now because it does the little shoot over.
Nah, none of that. Over.
Okay, if you say so. Over.
Nah, I'm goofing. I'm tired of over already. Over.
Wait. Oh, I can still hear the... Okay, I'm on the outside of where the little, like, radio, where they're, like, really wanting us to help them. Oh, Ethan, I found another wheel!
Hell yeah, this is my wheel. So there's like a little dock here. This doesn't look like it was ever not frozen. I don't know what this dock is for.
Yeah, I did try and kill myself by jumping out in the ice water, but this game does not let me have the agency I want to kill myself, so that's already a point off of the total score.
Yeah, oh, by the way, I found your plus symbol for a thing like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, well shit, dude, where is it?
Let me show you. It's here! It's here! It's on the roof.
Oh, how did you get on the roof?
There's a snowbank going all the way up to it on the other side.
Fucking, I told you to clear that off, Ethan.
Oh, we're gonna play this now? We're gonna start in on the roommate stuff, like in our imaginary cozy hut here.
Yeah, Ethan, because guess what? It's hard to fucking keep all this place prim and proper. I ask you to do one thing, just to fucking just clean out the snow that's piling up so you can stand on the roof, but no, you just want to sit next to the big old fire instead.
Yeah, no, the one thing, clean out the snow. Oh, Ethan, I took out the one bag of trash. Could you please take out all of the snow in the Antarctic? Yeah, thanks.
Ethan, you didn't even find the other wheel that was up here, you fool!
I was too busy hiding the plus symbol from you.
Okay, now we really see if I can master the controls, because I've already forgot how to cycle through these items so that I can get the right wheel. Ooh. I can do this.
We are one now. I feel safe in here.
Okay, maybe I got it. Okay, yeah, I had to go in and bind the keys to switch items with the left and right triggers because they didn't have one by default, so cool.
I too have done this now. All right, we've had a good goof, but I think this is our first time we need to actually work together. I'm guessing you need to man that up there while I need to go and do the one downstairs.
You know what, Ethan? I was just gonna say the same thing. It does a little disturb me that you're like, nah, I'll go inside to the nice warm fuzzy place and I'll do it from there, and you can stay up here with your second wheel.
Well, I'm holding the frozen wheel. I'm bringing the cold in with me.
I mean, you should probably like toss that bad boy in the fire, I think.
Was the fire interactable?
I don't know, but whatever you just did changed my wavelength up here.
Yeah, I was changing the wavelength.
Alright, I'm gonna change some wavelengths. Alright, so I can change an overlay wavelength. It looks like I need to match it to whatever you're doing, so I'm gonna find one that's close and then we're gonna try it out.
Yeah, I can mess with my wavelength however I want, but I can't actually, see yours.
Correct, yeah. Can you, like, raise it a little bit? Alright, raise it one more and then start widening it. Okay, that is matching perfectly now. Is there, like, a enable button?
No, I can now hear a radio station. We didn't get the guy who's begging for us to save his life. We got some country tunes.
Alright, over and out. Sounds like a job well done, my boy.
Alright, we did it. Now time to sit in our safe little house next to our fire and listen to some sweet, like, 10-second repeat country jangle.
No, Ethan, that's not what the Spicy Boys are about, alright? I'm gonna realign the antenna. Alright, I've got... there's a few more we can try, so we're gonna just do the next one. This one's gonna be really small, and it's gonna be real, like, close together. So it's going to have a short wavelength. So just try and make it as, like, short and skinny as you can and see what happens. Oh, yep, there you go.
We now have some sort of Danish clogging tune.
Alright, so sort of a sideways step from the music perspective. I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay, my boy, this one's also got a pretty thin wavelength, but try and up the amplitude about just above the first green line. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, that looks like it's it.
If they get in, they will repeal your tax cut.
Alright, we got
They
some
will
swing
put judges
jazz.
in
This
that
is
do
the
what
one.
you do. They'll take away your second.
Alright, I'm gonna put a bookmark on that one. I think I've got one more, which is the last one, so, you know, we'll try that one out. Let's see here. Okay, bring the amplitude down to about halfway between the first mark and the origin line. A little bit more. One more. Okay, and then they're overlaid, so it's really hard to see, but... Oh!
And they're saying, we're keeping babies alive and they get put in a van and drive away. What's going on? They're like, they're comfortable. So the baby's worth $500,000. They're like, why are we wasting this 7 pounds of meat? And the little flesh ball is kept alive and comfortable.
Yeah, I didn't catch any of that.